Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will configure how to configure web and application filter policy in the Sophos XG firewalls. How to create web filter policy, how to create application filter policy, how to apply on firewall rule and corporate and MNC policy. So in this video you will learn how you will configure web and application filter policy for MNC or corporate. So let's start this video. So guys, I am on the screen. So now I have login with my firewall, and I have taken subscription from Sophos, and they have given me free lifetime subscriptions of the web and application filter policy. As you can see, this is registered by Sophos, and the expire date is 2999. So let's start. So my firewall is licensed, so when I create policy, then I will test you how it is working, and it is working or it is not working. So let's assume we need to create just a normal policy in your office. When you need we need to block something type websites, like minimum website for admin user and default users. So how can we do that? Let's start. So first we need to go in the web filter policy. Assume you need to block Facebook, you need to block social media, you need to block YouTube. So what sites you need to block? Just I am referring these points. You can choose what is need in your organization. So just I am guiding. You can try this one. So once you click add policy, then you need to describe the name, then demo, sorry, policy 1. You can give the name and description for admin user, or you can admin user or anything, but you can name, type it. And remember, always default action always on. Don't click on block. Default action on, and then click on add rule. Once you click on add rule, then one column will be add. You can see anybody. You can click particular the group. If you have group, then you can select here group, or for anybody. And here we can select category, which category you want to block, and action, we want to action allow or block. So you can select here. Also here you can select use actions, allow, warm, block, these types. And if in your organization, like during time, like if you want to create a policy, like from if your office time is 9:30 to 1 p.m, then after lunch, or 2 p.m to 6 p.m, so you can create a time based policy as per your working hours. Then it policy will be work after lunch time. It will policy automatically will be like turn off, so anyone cannot use internet. So you can use as per your office timing, or you can use all time, so as per your choice. So now all web filter, we need to click here, and we need to click on minus button, then click add new item, and here you can select users activity category, click all. Here you need to select which content you want to block. Like in case in my case, like I am want to block let's assume I want to block social media, so I need to click on social networking. So how can you can found social networking? Let's I just create a new page, so I can understand. I can give one example, so you can find which category belong to Facebook, which category belong to LinkedIn. So you need to select this point. Yeah, so we have a sign in, and then click on diagnostic center, click on diagnostic point, and you can found here are the points. Like you can click on URL category loopback. Once you click on loopback, then here you need to type like www.facebook.com www.facebook.com. Once you click the URL, then click on search button, and then you will find, oh, this URL belong to social networking. So it means Facebook belong to social networking. So you can give like if I click here www.google.com. Sorry guys, sorry. And you can just click on search button. So you can see all search engines, it is belong to search engines. It means all web browser applications belong to search engine. So now you can add, you know how you find your category, which URL which category belong. So now I have selected Facebook, then I need to go here and I have selected social networking and click on OK. So all social networking content will be blocked after selecting social networking group. Now again we want to block something Facebook, like www dot what can I say, youtube.com. We want to block youtube.com. So now what you need to do, you can see this YouTube category belong to video hosting. So now what we need to do, we need to click on again add here, add new item, or click all type and video hosting. I think hosting, you can see video hosting. You need to just click on this button and click on here. So we have selected two category, video hosting and social networking. Now again what you need to block, you can just write put the content name and then filter, then search, then you will found all related contents like which category you want to block. And in my case Instagram already we have blocked, and video YouTube already we have blocked. So now I have created two and another one more, like click on click here and here, like you can block criminal activity, you can also block drugs and control, you can you need to also block. And then information web content not suitable for school and not suitable for office, not suitable for office, you can also block. And adult content you need to also block. Yes, Amazon, we need to show you Amazon, like just we need to click here and URL group, then www.flipkart.com. we need to select here, we need to select it. You can see this is belong to online shopping, so we need to click here, go here and click here, add new item, then all type, sorry guys. Now we can continue. We need to as you see online shopping, it is belong to online shopping. Then go to here and select online, just you can search here. Now we need to go here, click Flipkart, like I have put it here, flipkart.com, then click on search button. And you can see Flipkart belong to Flipkart, Amazon, all related services belong to online shopping. So now we need to go here and add new item again, and here we need to all type, then select online. So you can see online shopping, you just click on OK, apply. So we have created three category. Now again I want to block IRCTC, related traveling information. So www.irctc.com, then click on search. Then you can see IRCTC is belong to category trouble category many URLs. So you need to click select here trouble. Once you click on select trouble category, sorry guys, so you can see trouble category I have selected. So I have selected 4 category and I want to block all categories. So here you need to select block HTTPS, and here you need to select also block, and here you can select as I guide you. You can select time based, or you can select all time block, and you need to remember always click turn on this rule, then this rule will be run, otherwise it will not work. So we have created this one, and then scroll down, click on save button. Once you click on save button, this policy we have successfully created. Now we need to go application filter policy. So we need to click on application filter policy. I click on add. Here we need to give name. Let's name app demo policy. Here we need to collect to just click on allow, no issue. We have just collected profile. So as you see, app demo policy we have refer. Now you need to click here add. So here we need to select category wise, because we want to block Amazon, then something online shopping related. So we need to select here. First we need to block P2P sites. P2P, it's very dangerous, and gaming we need to block urgently. Then after that we need to block proxy and tunnel, and remote access as per your system allow. Streaming media you can decide we need to block or not block. Software update and download application, web, emails, social networking we need to block. Then after storage, it is very dangerous. E-commerce site we need to block. Then after that mobile application, I think so here no. So you can select like this and action deny all time. And then also I want to select Flipkart application base, because someone try to download application on mobile, then you can use. So also we can block YouTube maybe users will be try to use YouTube, like download application then try to do. You can do like this. You can block as per your requirement. Now I have just clicked here, and we have created general application policy, and we need to click on here add save button. So we have saved. So you can see we have added these 3 items like YouTube, Facebook and social media. Now we need to click on add more button, so that we can click here. Here we can select very low, very high, very is risky. So you can select very high, then medium, then click OK, then action deny. So all content will be defined automatically, and click on save button. This is best way. And now what you can see, all content will be come here, and action deny you can see here, and we need to click on save button. So now we have created application filter policy. Then after we have created a web filter policy. Now we need to create firewall rule, and then how we can add these 2 policy on the firewall. Let's create rule. We need to go to in the rules and policies. Then after click here add new rule, and give the name. Sorry guys, we need to wait because my CPU utilization is more than 100%. Sophos demo rule, and when you create any rule, then click on always stop, and here you need to click on none, and then accept and reject. So we need to accept this traffic and click on lock firewall enable, and then source zone. So source zone our LAN. Here we need to define this policy to apply all users or particular machine or particular MAC address or particular user group. So you can create define here where you need to allow where you want to apply this policy, like for all users, for particular IP range, for particular MAC address, for particular IP. So now I want to allow this policy on my particular machine. I want to allow only on this machine. Sorry guys. So you can see my machine IP address is 172.16.16.16 and gateway this one. So you can see here guys. So my machine IP is 60. So I will add here. I can add also MAC address. I can add also my physical MAC address. We can define with MAC address. We can define with IP address. But I recommend all to you, please use MAC base. MAC base will always right, because anyone cannot change anyone can change IP address. MAC address never change. So always select MAC address. It's good for you. So we need to click on add, and we need to click MAC address, my demo PC, and MAC address this one. I think so we need to remove, yeah, it taken. So I have give MAC address, and then this policy schedule all time. We can define this policy work only Monday to Friday or whatever time, but right now I have defined all time. Source zone my WAN. So my traffic will be go from LAN, then check source devices like MAC address, IP address, then after schedule time, then destination WAN, and destination services any. I don't want to filter more tight traffic, and destination service any round now, or and then after create a link net rule. So here you need to create a link net rule and click here. Sorry guys, my system is slow. Mask, and then after don't do anything and just click on OK. And then filter policy, you can see filter policy, click here and then apply. We have created a one filter policy which name demo policy 1, and then after you can scan HTTPS decryption, and then after you need to click on application control. Then here you can see app demo policy we have defined. Then after you need to click on save button. Once you click on save button, this policy is created successfully. You can see we have created successfully policy. And now I am just trying to go here and click on Flipkart. Just I have searched Flipkart, might be it work or not. Let's check. So I need to click here Flipkart. It is loading. It is still loading. You can see this site can't be reached. Also as well we try to Amazon. You can see this site can't be reached. If you click this you will receive this type of message. Again we click on Facebook. Let's check. Yep, search Facebook. Just click on Facebook login page. You can see We have test last two items and they are not working, and again Facebook it's searching. Okay, you can see this site can't be reached because it is blocked. And then we need to check YouTube, because YouTube is very critical applications for everyone, because it is taking more bandwidth in our systems. So you can see YouTube as well as not working. So I have checked for systems. Now I'm just going to change the policy, and you can see if I refresh this button, if I refresh, you can see in and out traffic. You will automatically understand what I'm telling you guys. The page is refreshing. You can see in traffic 4.1.4 MB and out traffic 00, because this is checking, but these sites are not working. Now how can we check it will work? Then we need to click here, and I'm just removing this policy so that you can understand this policy really working. So just I'm going on to click on none here, and here demo policy also click on none here. Then just I'm going on to click on save. I have removed those filters like application and web filters. Now again I am going to check this is working or not. So policy is saving, so it will take a little bit time. Now just you can see this policy is saved. Apply. Now I am just going to refresh this page. I am not doing anything, just I am refreshing this page. It is working or not, you can see on your eye. Just refresh this page, guys. I am not doing anything. You can see YouTube is loading, and Amazon is also loading this page, and Flipkart also loading this page. So I have browsed 4 tabs, so it will might be slow, but you can see this is working now again, because automatically site redirected. You can see Flipkart is working, so I am going to discontinue, and Facebook is still loading. Sorry guys, YouTube is loading. So it means I have removed, when I removed this policy, it is working, and it means I have created right policy. You can create as per your organization, like like I have created here. And if you get error, then you can comment me, I will definitely help you. But you can create a correct way policy, follow this all video, but video is length I think 25 to 30 minutes, but you need to watch each moments and then configure. And when you get any error, then you can call me, you can ping me, you can comment me, then definitely I will help you. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel video. Jai Hind.